So a very good morning to all of you. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Ma'am is going to visible.
Okay, just a minute. I will
Yes.
wait for a minute.
Yes, ma'am, it started.
Okay. So very good morning, everyone. Now today we are to start our first chapter of PT3, that is lesson number 6, Greenland, the island in the Arctic zone. You must keep your books with you so that if you face any problem later on, you can ask me in your doubt session at the end of the meeting when 10 minutes will be left. Okay. Then I will ask your doubts. At that time, you can ask your doubts also. So let's start the chapter Greenland, the island in the Arctic zone. Anyone who can tell me what is the characteristic of Arctic zone? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who knows the characteristic of Arctic zone? Yes, Sachit, fifth blue. Unmute yourself, bete. I think Parisha is there. Paramam, please
Yes, ma'am.
unmute Parisha Dugal. She has raised her hand.
Okay, ma'am.
She is
Good
unmute,
morning.
ma'am. Yes, Parisha, speak up, bete. What
Ma'am,
is the
in
characteristic? Yes.
Arctic zone is very cold. It is near to the North Pole, and it is very cold there. That it is very difficult to survive there.
Yes. Arctic zone. The characteristic of Arctic zone is that it is very cold. My next question is, can anyone tell how many zones are there? Avni Juglan, unmute yourself. Paramam, please unmute her.
Yes, ma'am, I have unmuted.
Yes, Avni, how many zones are there? Climatic zones.
Ma'am, good
Yes,
morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Ma'am, there are three main zones. Ma'am, Arctic Circle lies in the frigid zone.
No. Okay, I have asked you how many zones are there, and its answer is there are 3 zones. Now, can anyone tell which are these 3 zones? 3 climatic zones कौन सी हैं? Anyone else? जिसकी टर्न नहीं आई, सांची. You have raised your hand. Avni, I have asked you, bete, now lower your hand. Sanchi, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Sanchi, she has left now, I think. Tanishka Sachdeva. Yes, bete.
Ma'am, the three zones are frigid zone, temperate zone, and torrid zone.
Very good. Frigid zone, temperate zone, and torrid zone. Very good. Now lower your hand. Uh, next question is, what at which place, in which zone the sun rays fall directly? In which zone the sun rays fall directly? It's Ghazal. Yes, bete, speak up. Navalpreet, आप बोल दो बेटे. In which zone
Sargun.
Ma'am, torrid zone.
Very good. In torrid zone, sun rays fall directly. But in frigid zone, there are no sun rays. Sun rays do not reach in the frigid zone. That's why this zone is covered with the snow every time. Almost whole year, this zone is covered with snow. So you can see from the picture also, the Greenland, it's an island which lies in the Arctic zone and is covered with snow. So let me start the lesson. Today we are to do the location only because its location is very important. अगर आपको पता होगा कि कहाँ पे ये locate कर रहा है, then you will be able to understand the climatic conditions. Clear? So now let me start with the second picture. You can see the picture given in the bottom. It is a picture of world map. Can you see? There are all the continents shown over here. So all these continents, how many continents are there? Can anyone tell? How many continents are there?
Yes, Manjot.
Yes, Manjot. How many continents are there?
Naval. Naval.
Okay, I will tell you. There are 7 continents. 7 continents में से Asia, this yellow one is Asia, which is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Then comes Africa, Europe, South America, North America, and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. Lesson 1 में आपने किया हुआ है. Clear? Now, North America continent, you can see here, this is North America continent. This whole is North America continent. Water bodies नहीं देखनी है, land part देखना है. North America continent is towards the west of India, Asia के west में है, and it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean in the west and Atlantic Ocean in the east. ठीक है, ये Pacific Ocean है इसके west में and this is the Atlantic Ocean in the east. North America continent के नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, नॉर्थ ईस्ट मतलब नॉर्थ होता है ऊपर और राइट हैंड साइड पे ईस्ट, तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड पे दिस वाइट एरिया, दिस इज ग्रीनलैंड. This island is Greenland, which is towards the northeast of North America continent. I hope it is clear to everyone. Is it clear? So this white area is Greenland. It lies towards the northeast of North America continent. It's the largest island in the world and it is the part of Denmark. ये डेनमार्क का ही पार्ट है. इसकी कैपिटल जो है that is न्यूक. न्यूक इसकी कैपिटल है and its north most tip जो है, north most tip होती है जो exactly north में highest peak जो tip होती है. See from the above picture, जो पिक्चर टॉप पे है, जो नॉर्थ मोस्ट टिप है, यहां से लेकर के अगर हम चलें, दिस इज द नॉर्थ पोल. ये नॉर्थ पोल दिख रहा है आपको? ये जो डॉट है नॉर्थ पोल 90 डिग्री, नॉर्थ पोल से इसका डिस्टेंस जो है दैट इज 650 किलोमीटर्स ओनली। कितना है? 650 किलोमीटर्स दूर है ये। सिर्फ इट्स दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी कोल्ड, एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड। इट लाइज इन द फ्रिजिड जोन। फ्रिजिड जोन को दूसरा हम टुंड्रा जोन भी कहते हैं। टुंड्रा जोन का मतलब जहां पे हर टाइम स्नो कवर्ड एरिया रहता है, स्नो रहती है, टेम्परेचर बहुत लो होता है, -23 डिग्री सेल्सियस। माइनस का मतलब होता है बिलो 0 डिग्री। क्लियर? So this area is extremely cold, which lies in the Arctic Circle, Arctic region. Arctic Circle से लेकर के आपने लेसन पढ़ा है जिसमें वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट में आपने पढ़ा है, मैप एंड ग्लोब्स में भी पढ़ा है, लैटिट्यूड्स लॉन्गिट्यूड्स में भी किया है। बिगेस्ट सर्कल जो है दैट इज इक्वेटर। इक्वेटर से अगर हम ऊपर जाते हैं दैट इज नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर। नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर आता है, देन आर्कटिक सर्कल आता है विच इज 66.5 डिग्री। 66.5 डिग्री आर्कटिक सर्कल है। वहां से लेके 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ पोल तक का जो एरिया है दैट इज आर्कटिक रीजन। उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? आर्कटिक रीजन। इज इट क्लियर? सो आर्कटिक रीजन पर सन की रेज जो है वो नहीं पहुंच पाती। दैट्स व्हाई दिस एरिया इज extremely cold and is covered with snow every time. Clear? So इसको हम फ्रिजिड जोन भी कहते हैं। Now this Greenland, you can see this blue part is shown, Greenland is shown in this blue color. It is separated from Canada. This green part is Canada. Canada के आइलैंड्स है सारे। कनाडा से इसको सेपरेट करने के लिए बैफिन बे, देयर इज बैफिन बे which separates Canada from Greenland. One more strait is there, Davis Strait is there. These are the water bodies which are separating Canada from Greenland. क्योंकि ये फ्रिजिड जोन है, सो दिस एरिया इज स्नो कवर्ड। चाहे ये वाटर बॉडी है लेकिन यहाँ पे फ्रीज हुई पड़ी है वाटर बॉडी, सो दिस इज एरिया इज कवर्ड विथ स्नो। कैनेडा and Iceland, you can see here it is Iceland. These are the nearest countries to Greenland. Greenland के ये पास में ये दो countries पड़ती हैं। Clear? Its capital is Nuuk. You can see this is the capital, Nuuk. Nuuk is the capital. It lies towards the, you can see, I will mark it again. ये स्टार जो बना हुआ है that is Nuuk. It is towards the southwest part. ये साउथ वेस्ट पार्ट में लाई करता है और ये मॉडर्न सिटी है न्यूक, जिसका प्रीवियस नेम था गॉर्थॉप। क्लियर? सो इट इज नियर द कोस्ट। कोस्ट आपको पता है कोस्टल एरिया कौन सा होता है? कैन एनीवन टेल? रेज योर हैंड who can tell. Parama, please unmute the person, the student who is raising hand. What is coastal area? What is coast or coastal area?
The area near the
water bodies.
Very good. The area near the sea, not water body exactly. तो जो एरिया सी के पास है दैट इज कॉल्ड कोस्टल एरिया. सो न्यूक इज नियर द सी. यू कैन सी ये जितना भी वाइट डेविस स्ट्रेट है ये वाटर बॉडी है, सी है ना. तो लेब्राडोर सी यहां लिखा हुआ है. सो दिस एरिया इज द कोस्टल एरिया. सो दिस इज द कैपिटल ऑफ ग्रीनलैंड. Is it clear? Now see, the nearest country, Iceland है. North America is also near क्योंकि यहाँ ये उसी continent में है. So nowadays they have modern facilities. Technology is so developed that this area is connected with air links. एयर लिंक्स मतलब एरोप्लेन्स यहाँ से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाने के लिए चल पड़े हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी आर्कटिक ओशन. आर्कटिक ओशन आपने पढ़ा है, वाटर बॉडीज, 5 वाटर बॉडीज आर देयर. आर्कटिक ओशन इसके नॉर्थ में है. Atlantic Ocean is towards the east and south. Here Baffin Bay is there. So this is an island. Can anyone tell what is island? What is island?
Yes, Prisha has raised hand.
Yes, bete, speak up.
Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, island is a place which is covered from sea from all side.
Yes. Piece of land which is covered with water from all sides. Clear? जो लैंड का सरफेस है जिसके चारों तरफ पानी होता है उसको हम आइलैंड कहते हैं. एंड ग्रीनलैंड इज द आइलैंड विच is the largest island of the world. It has water all around. चाहे वो water snow की form में है, it is freezed, जमा हुआ पानी है, even then we will call it island. Clear? So Greenland is an island. इसका नेम ग्रीनलैंड क्यों पड़ा? इस अदरवाइज यहाँ पे कुछ भी ग्रो नहीं करता है. Even then we call it Greenland. Why? Can anyone tell why? Why do we call it Greenland?
No one is there.
Okay. Let me tell you. Actually ग्रीनलैंड यहाँ पे कुछ भी ग्रो नहीं करता. तो लोगों को पॉजिटिव वाइब्स देने के लिए कि यहाँ पर लोग आए, टूरिस्ट आए, तो इसका नाम ग्रीनलैंड रखा गया. अदरवाइज आइसलैंड से ज्यादा स्नो यहाँ पर होती है. इज इट क्लियर? सो आइसलैंड से ज्यादा स्नो यहाँ पे होती है. सो दिस एरिया इज कॉल्ड ग्रीनलैंड. इंटेंशनली इसका नेम ग्रीनलैंड रखा गया था. क्लियर? So now I am going to share the other screen. Just a minute. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, going to start.
So now I want to ask you few questions to check whether you have understood this location topic or not. So here are the few questions which are related with the location. Clear? Raise your hand and only that student will unmute himself or herself who will be asked. Clear? Raise आप कर सकते हो hands. बट अनम्यूट नहीं करना है. सो नाउ it is taking time, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute.
By the time you can ask them orally.
Okay, now it is there. So first question is, name the largest island of the world. Name the largest island of the world. Khushnak Gulati.
Hmm. Yes, it's Tanishka.
नहीं, चलो तनिष्का सचदेवा. Yes, speak up बेटे.
Yes, Tanishka. Avni.
Ma'am, Greenland.
Yes, Greenland is the island, largest island of the world. Second is the area between Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Area का मतलब होता है region. The region or the area between Arctic Circle and the North Pole. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? मनजोत कौर.
Yes, Manjot.
Tundra region or frigid zone?
जोन नहीं पूछा बेटे मैंने, रीजन का नाम पूछा है. इट इज आर्कटिक रीजन और पोलर रीजन. क्लियर? टुंड्रा रीजन भी हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज द जोन इन विच ग्रीनलैंड लाइज. अब जोन पूछा है. मंजोत, इज इट क्लियर टू यू नाउ? एनीवन?
Tanishka.
जिसकी टर्न आ गई है बेटे, they will not raise their hands. Let other children come and raise their hands. मैम किसी और
Ma'am,
Sanchi.
तनिष्का mute yourself. सांची unmute yourself. The zone in which Greenland lies. Speak up बेटे. Hurry up बेटे, we don't have enough time. नील अरोड़ा.
Yes, Govind.
Hurry up बच्चे.
And Arctic zone.
आर्कटिक जोन है कोई बेटे? 3 जोन्स में से टॉरिड जोन, टेम्परेट जोन, फ्रिजिड जोन में से this is frigid zone. So read the question carefully, then answer. Is it clear? Next is other name of frigid zone. पेज नंबर 41 पे आपके ये दिया हुआ है. You can read it from there also. Other name of frigid zone. Paramam, please unmute Jaisum.
Okay, ma'am. Jasum.
ma'am, Arctic zone.
Yes, आर्कटिक जोन नहीं है बेटे, वो आर्कटिक रीजन है या टुंड्रा रीजन. फ्रिजिड जोन का दूसरा नाम क्या है? टुंड्रा रीजन. Is it clear?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, unmute yourself. Next, what is the distance between the North Pole and the northmost tip of Greenland? ग्रीनलैंड की नॉर्थमोस्ट टिप और नॉर्थ पोल के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है?
Naval. Naval, you unmute yourself, Naval. You are not audible, beta.
Ask from someone else, ma'am. Neera Roda is there.
Neil Arora.
Ma'am, Tundra region.
Fifth question पूछ रहे हैं बेटे. Distance. What is the distance between North Pole and northmost tip of Greenland? Yes, 650 kilometers. There is network issue, I think, from his side. So next question is, which is the capital of Greenland? Name the capital of Greenland. Sofia. Sophia, unmute yourself. परम मैम प्लीज आप अनम्यूट वाली ऑप्शन वो कर दो एक्टिव,
Okay, ma'am.
जिसमें बच्चे खुद
Okay,
अपने आप को कर सकें.
Okay, ma'am.
Meanwhile, I will tell you the answer. Capital of Greenland is Nuuk. Clear? And now, what is the old name of Nuuk? Nuuk का पुराना नाम क्या है, जिसको हम दूसरे नाम से भी जानते हैं? What is the other name of Nuuk? Khushna Gulati, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Hurry up. It is time bound meeting. It will be over within 4 minutes. So please be fast.
Yes, Ronak, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Ronak.
Gotham.
Gotthard. Next, 2 countries nearest to Greenland. 2 countries. Jacqueline, unmute yourself.
Yes, it's Vasvi.
Vasvi. Unmute, hurry up. Shiven Dugal. Shiven Dugal. Okay, let me tell you the answer. It's Canada and Iceland. Next is, name the bay which separates Greenland from Canada. Yashika Das, unmute yourself. Harleen, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Baffin Bay.
Baffin Bay. Baffin, Baffin Bay. What is the other name of Arctic region? Other name of Arctic region?
Yes, Tanishka. Okay, and Mole.
Ma'am, it's Tundra region.
Polar region, bete. Tundra region be okay. Polar region is also okay. So here are the answers of all the questions. So I think everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow. Tomorrow in the class, you can ask me. Now, a few minutes are left.